Hello and welcome to an overview of the Smarter Workspace. At Smarter, we offer a data-driven talent development solution. In this video today, we will show you how to evaluate your learners whether they pass or fail a class. Let's get started. Log into your account and you will be directed to the Workspace interface. In the navigation pane under your avatar, choose Go to My Trainer Workspace. Here are all the classes you are assigned to train. Click on one class that you need to evaluate the learners and you will be directed to your class interface. For quiz-based evaluation, the system will automatically check if the learners achieve the passing score or not to decide whether they pass or fail the test. For your own evaluation, you can check the learners if they're passed the class or not by clicking on this button in the Pass column. Green check means they've passed, and red cross means they've failed. That's it for this product update video. If you find this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.